Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode with Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I create this easy and cheesy breakfast skillet. All of my ingredients will be listed down below in the description box, so if you're interested in making this recipe, be sure to check that out. What I love about this recipe is it's one of the most easiest and quickest breakfast recipe that I've made, but it's still flavorful, fulfilling, and delicious. So here are my seasonings. I find it easier to mix them together in one bowl. So now I have my freshly washed and chopped potatoes. I will be drizzling a little bit of that avocado oil on top, and I'm going to give that a quick mix to ensure all of my seasonings stick on the potatoes. Once my potatoes are fully coated with the olive oil or the avocado oil, personal preference, next I will be sprinkling on a little bit of that seasoning mixture we use. I will be saving a little bit just for my eggs. It is optional, it's up to you, and I sprinkle some on top before I place my skillet in the oven. I am going to go ahead and make my potatoes in the air fryer. You can just pan fry them if you'd like. It's really up to you. This is the most efficient way for me. It's very quick, it's easy, it's less work. And everyone loves less work when cooking. So next I'm just going to spray my air fryer a little bit to ensure my potatoes don't stick. And then I will be adding my potatoes in, and I'm just going to flatten it out slightly just to make sure everything is evenly spreaded out so it can get that crispy texture. So now I have my sausage. I am using smoked turkey sausage, but you can use whatever you prefer. So like I said, less work is better. I will be baking these in the oven on 400, which my oven is preheated. And I will bake these for about 8 to 10 minutes. I don't want them too crispy or anything like that because we will be popping the skillet back in the oven afterwards. Now, after about 10 minutes, I went ahead and added in my bell peppers. Next, I am going to go ahead and scramble my egg. Oh, it's just so perfect and pretty. I only used about 2 eggs, but you can use how many eggs you prefer. I don't really like eggs like that, but my son does, so I only used a little bit. So I'm just going to scramble that to perfection, and I don't want it scrambled too hard. I kind of want it more soft, fluffy, and just light because we will be popping that skillet in the oven. So here is my sausage. So now in my cast iron skillet, which I do recommend, I went ahead and add a light layer of oil just to ensure nothing sticks. Make sure if you're using a cast iron that your cast iron is seasoned. So now I'm just going to spread around those air fryer potatoes and bell peppers. Next, I will be adding in that smoked turkey sausage. And you can jazz it up, add what you like, add your favorites, make it fun. Once I have my smoked turkey sausage added in the skillet, next I will be adding in those fluffy scrambled eggs. Now my favorite part, of course, for that perfect cheese pool, I'm adding in a mixture of that Mexican shredded cheese. You can use your favorite. I just want to add a touch of it, not too much, but you can add to your liking. I'm going to sprinkle some parsley as well as some seasoning on there, which you will see. And then we're just going to cover it up with foil, and I will be baking it. Like I said, my oven is preheated already. It's hot on 400. I just want to bake this for a good 8 to 10 minutes. Nothing major. I just want my cheese to melt. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I love when a dish comes out just so beautiful, as good as it tastes. Oh my gosh. If you decide to make this, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and share.